double plays in this game. The Astros also have a couple. Check swing roller. Charge. Valbuena barehanding, throwing low. Carter gets the out call at first. Very well done by Valbuena, who wound up on the grass. Carter had to stretch out toward the outfield to receive that throw.
Now, possibly a tougher play for Chris Carter than he was unable to make with Joe Thatcher in a recent game. But this is a tough play and well done on the barehanded effort. You can see Carter having to turn back and go to that right field corner side, but a nice job keeping the foot on the bag.